Am I funny? Diggly top. Diggly top.
What's wrong with you?
Diggly top. Diggly top.
Just trying to wait myself.
Say hi to the camera, Riley. Oh my god, this is going on YouTube.
Yeah.
This is our movie. Riley, you're gonna have to go now. Turn the lights on.
Lights. Camera. Action. Yeah. Right, guys.
This is our movie.
It's a half 9. Oh gosh, Faye got good sleep.
No. This is our movie, and Riley has to go down there now.
What?
I'll be right here with the camera.
Okay, bye guys. I gotta go down there.
What?
Found that pigeon.
What? What? How'd you get up here?
Found that pigeon.
What? I can't see no dead pigeons.
It's in my house. To be continued.
Storage space, sorry. So bye, and please like and subscribe to my videos. Please comment if you think this was good and if you think we should do a part 2. Bye from me and Riley. Thanks for watching mine and Riley's video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.
And
Give
next
it a
time we come
thumbs
round
up.
for a sleepover, we'll be continuing this
Scary.
thing. Dead pigeon.
Whoa, I looked fat.
We're going to be doing Day in My Life tomorrow.